Alright guys, today we'll be installing a brake controller on this Ram 1500. I wanted to make it nice and easy, so we went with a Tekonsha P3, and so what comes with the kit, you'll get you get the mounting brackets, got a couple different kinds. You'll get this wiring harness factory. Now this is not exactly plug and play. Comes with it, but it's going to make a lot of work out of something small. So what I did is I went ahead and got this. It is the plug and play adapter right from the brake controller right into your Dodge Ram pickup. You'll have to verify the years, but mine is a 2011 Dodge Ram Sport and it works for me. So I'm going to show you real quick where exactly it plugs in and where I'm going to mount it. So, as you can see here, I have the aftermarket plug and play cable already plugged in the back. But if we go in and underneath, right underneath, you're going to see a big clip. Now, this is on my pickup, but once you get the cable in hand, you'll notice that it's a pretty good fit. So you just plug that in there, and then you find a good place to mount. So I've decided I'm going to go right about here. As per the instructions, it says it doesn't matter what angle it is as long as the brake controller is directly in line with the way of travel and is not to the left or to the right, it's even. So we're going to go ahead and tack that in, plug her all in, and the rest is just kind of plain figuring it out. Thanks guys.